Think Earth is big? Oh no, our blue planet with all its beauty and wonder is just a tiny speck among stars and galaxies millions, no, even trillions of times bigger. Yes, you heard me right, trillions. Get ready, because we're about to feel dizzy from how small we really are in the universe.
Let's start with something familiar. The moon. Smaller than Earth, yes, but the distance between us and it could fit nearly all the planets in our solar system lined up end to end. Imagine standing on Earth, looking up at the moon. It seems close, right? A glowing companion in the night sky. But in cosmic terms, it is just a tiny point. Isn't it fascinating that something so close is still part of an immense scale that dwarfs our everyday perception? And then there's Jupiter, the giant among planets, bigger than Earth by 1,300 times. Its very gravity shapes the orbits of other planets. And Saturn, with its magnificent rings, its diameter 9 times that of Earth. Imagine placing Earth as a tiny marble next to Jupiter. You wouldn't even notice it. And yet, the planets, even with all their immense size combined, are dwarfed by the Sun. The Sun is about 1 million times larger than Earth. If Earth were a small marble, the Sun would be a stadium-sized ball of fire, radiating energy and light so intense it shapes the lives of all planets around it. Can you feel the scale in your mind? Think about standing on Mercury or Venus, staring at that blazing giant dominating the sky. What would it feel like? Would your heart race imagining the heat and energy pouring from it? But let's leave our solar system for a moment and talk about stars that truly defy imagination. Take VY Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant star. If the Sun were a small car, VY Canis Majoris would be a skyscraper towering over it, and even this giant loses in size to the monstrous UY Scuti, whose diameter is over 1,700 times that of the Sun. Imagine placing Earth next to it. It would disappear entirely, invisible even under the most powerful microscope. Can you picture that? The planet we walk on, the oceans we sail, the cities we build, vanishing into nothingness compared to a single star? It's almost poetic, isn't it? How tiny we are in this immense cosmos. Now, let's expand further. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Think of that. Billions of suns, each one a blazing sphere of energy, some larger, some smaller, all floating in a dance of gravity. And nearby lies Andromeda, our galactic neighbor, almost twice the size of the Milky Way. In about 4 billion years, our galaxies will collide in a spectacular cosmic ballet. Can you imagine the sky during that event? Stars will be flung across the universe, galaxies intertwining in an intricate dance that lasts millions of years. And then there are the monsters of the universe, galaxies like IC 1101, a true cosmic behemoth containing trillions of stars. One galaxy, unimaginably large, with a scale that our brains can barely grasp. Compare that to Earth, and suddenly our entire history, every human achievement, every ocean and mountain is a mere speck in this cosmic ocean. And yet, we are here asking questions, exploring, dreaming. How is it possible that in a universe so vast, we exist as conscious observers capable of understanding even a fraction of it? Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the limits of what we can see? The observable universe stretches 93 billion light years. Light, the fastest thing we know, would take 93 billion years to travel this distance. And this is just what we can observe. The universe beyond may be infinitely larger. Close your eyes and imagine the cosmos extending far beyond what your mind can picture. Each point of light a sun, each sun potentially surrounded by planets, and among those, perhaps, life. How many worlds exist out there, and could any of them be like ours? Let's return to something closer to our solar system, but no less astonishing. Did you know that Saturn's rings are made of billions of pieces of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to mountains? These rings orbit gracefully, a shimmering spectacle in the void of space. And Jupiter's storm, the great red spot, is a raging hurricane twice the size of Earth, spinning for centuries without pause. Imagine a storm so powerful and persistent that nothing on Earth could ever match it. Would you dare to witness it up close? Now, take a moment to think about time itself. The light from distant galaxies began its journey billions of years ago, long before life existed on Earth. Every star you see in the night sky is a message from the past. Some may no longer exist, yet their light continues to travel, reaching our eyes only now. Isn't it astonishing that when we gaze upward, we are seeing the history of the universe unfold? And if we go even further, consider the strange and fascinating phenomena scattered across the cosmos, black holes, regions where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars, so dense that a teaspoon of their matter would weigh billions of tons. Quasars, emitting more energy than entire galaxies, powered by supermassive black holes at their centers. The universe is full of marvels that challenge our imagination, each more extreme and mind-boggling than the last. Have you ever imagined standing on a world orbiting a star in a different galaxy? Would its sky look like ours? Or would constellations unfamiliar to human eyes fill the horizon? Could there be planets with oceans of liquid methane, skies glowing in strange colors, or life forms that see the universe entirely differently than we do? The possibilities are endless, and each one is a reminder of the universe's infinite creativity. Even our Earth, small as it is, holds wonders that rival the cosmos on a human scale. The oceans, deep and mysterious, hiding creatures and ecosystems we have yet to discover. The highest mountains scraping the sky, the deserts stretching endlessly. Every corner of our planet is a testament to the complexity and beauty of life, which, despite our planet's small size, thrives against cosmic odds. How remarkable is it that in a universe so vast, life exists here on this fragile blue dot? And so, as we look outward, we are reminded of our uniqueness and our fragility. Earth may be small, but it is our home, the cradle of life, the only place we know where consciousness has emerged. Each moment we spend exploring, dreaming, and understanding is a celebration of this incredible existence. Earth is small, yet its value is immeasurable. In the midst of infinite stars, galaxies, and cosmic wonders, our planet is a rare oasis, a place where life and consciousness flourish. And that, perhaps, is the most extraordinary wonder of all.